Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jeremy Makinay. And today, we will be reviewing the ZY, Zanying, whatever the name it is, N249. Old name, Firecow N249. This is a very heavy unit. As in, it's based from checking, it's around 5 kilos. So, why you want this? I don't know. It's all, not all metal, a lot of metal parts. Metal, metal, some metal plates, metal, what do you call this one? Bipod, metal outer barrel, some metal parts here. This is decorative. This is for the prime. The not the barrel. The gel bolts goes in the middle. It has a blowback function. This basically moves. And you can press this button to lift this up to see what is happening. It's also a quick change spring, so you can change the spring if you wanted to. Ouch. And whew, it's heavy. The quality is a nylon and metal construction, so it looks nice and durable. I would not recommend it to hold it one hand. It's heavy. It has a not aluminum, nylon rails here, so you can put some accessories. I don't know what is this for. Maybe it has a use in the real one, but I don't know what's this for. It when it comes to features, it has no prime, so it's all manual. But then again, this unit comes with the 11.1 battery stock, Tutsi type, and also located here. Again, just put it up, then pull. Oops. It's also not Tamiya plug, so it's better to change that in the future. It has 11.1 2000 milliampere. This is fake. I know it's not 2100 1000 to 2000 milliampere. I have already tried that one. I think it's 1000 milliampere something. Oops. You need to hold the lock and then hold it there, so the hand will fit. This one is can be changed. You can push it forward and change its handling, how it looks. So if you want it to be folded, can be, but it will come in the way of the side, so better keep it in the extended version, and it looks quite nice. This part is I think this is nylon. Yes, it's nylon. So I would not recommend to hold it by itself. Might break, but if you hold it like this while firing, I think this is a better firing position. Where is that? Yeah, something like this. It will be fine. I don't know how to hold it properly. My butt is like this. But, I think it's better for me folded. There's no trades on this one. Literally nothing. I don't know even then the M249 has trade, so nga. This one is non-folding. Nope, nothing moving. The gas block, Nothing, no moving also. This one, oh, it does have a 11.1, not 11, 14 millimeters counterclockwise thread, so you can foot stop here. Probably will the PDX. Oh yes, it's the Jingji barrel thread again for the hop up. Because the barrel is a little bit too long. BB capacity. Do I need to say it? A lot. Literally a lot. And since it has a hole here for the loading, it's easy to reload. I don't know if you will use it all up, so that's questionable. You need to have a funnel to make it easier to load, or the usual gel ball loader. Weight really heavy at around 5 kilos plus, since lots of metal parts. Oh, heavy. And it's not yet full of gels. So again, why do you want to put this hardship during the game? But it looks really cool. If you bring this to the game, it looks really nice. So I don't know, it's worth it. It's up to you. Upgrade, since this is it looks like the, not the Saima, P90 not magazine, P90 gearbox. So you can easily upgrade this with some parts, and since it's a quick change spring, you can easily remove it. But disassembling this one will be probably annoying. Yes, annoying. FPS, this goes up to 240, but it depends on your gels. I'm using the cheap green one, so my FPS was fluctuating from 180 to 200. So depends on your gels. Range, it has a 400. I don't know. 360 to almost 400 millimeter barrel. So lots of range. Very far. And with the extremely high rate of fire, because it is 11.1 and the spring is not that heavy, rate of fire is fairly high. One of also the disadvantages of this one, since it has lots of metal parts, it is not cheap. Right now, it's 10,500 on Hydro Blasters MNL. Link in the description. So, if price is not an issue and you want to look cool and have a very good exercise during the game, this is for you. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So muli, paalam!